Comes in a little packet. Has a little boy and a little girl in there. So Bisconi Kokomo is a crunchy biscuit for the ultimate pick-me-up. These adorable Kokomo biscuits from Bisconi are filled with chocolate cream for a sweet fix. So on the picture you see here that it's like a cookie filled with chocolate cream. It reminds me of that one snack where it's like a koala bear on the outside. It's like a cookie but chocolate filled on the inside. Oops.
This is why I can't have nice things.
There's no imprint or anything on the outside of the cookie. It's not as crunchy as a koala bear. Forgot to mention these are from Pakistan. If you need a chocolate fix, it's gonna get you. The next one reminds me of a Nutella bar or something like that, because if you look at it, it has the same colors, almost the same outer wrapping the Nutella bottle has. I think I'm gonna like this one. I'm so excited to try this. So it's called Unada wafer. No, it's called Anuda wafer. Smooth and rich tasting hazelnut cream is sandwiched between some seriously delicious vanilla wafers. This makes for a perfectly sweet snack. This is from Germany. I might eat this whole thing. Oh, they're individually packaged on the inside. That's thoughtful. So if you don't want to eat the whole thing, you get 2 of these rather than just the whole entire bag open. I feel like I do these videos always right before dinner, so just like last time, 100% probably spoiled my dinner. Oh well, it's not like I'm not gonna eat it anyways. I thought the chocolate would be a lot more melty on the inside, but it looks like it's pretty solid. Ready or not, here I come. This is literally just Nutella that's a little bit less spreadable into like a more congealed form in between 2 vanilla wafers. I think this one wait, I can't judge this yet because it's not the last thing. Okay, I want to eat the whole thing right now, but I have to save my stomach. No wonder it's so good. As for a matter of fact, any chocolate from European countries is delicious. Anyways, last but not least, this looks like straws all rolled up. Or like a fruit roll up. Ooh, I like those when I was little. This is a product of Spain and it's called Spinny Roller Tutti Frutti. This is a candy that a grapefruit flavors like apple, strawberry, raspberry, and lemon. This extra sour rainbow with gummy belt is ready to be unrolled and enjoyed. They said sour. Ooh, this is supposed to be sour. So this is what the outside of the wrapper looks like. This is a good box, had a good variety. This has the classic sour sugar stuff all over the outside. It's literally just a roll up and it's in rainbow form. I just don't want the sugar to fly everywhere. Wow, this is pretty sticky stuff. I thought I was gonna be able to peel this apart, but I don't think it's a peel apart one, so. You definitely taste all the flavors. Apple, the strawberry, the raspberry, and the lemon. It says it's extra sour, but it's not really that sour. This basically just tastes like a fruit roll-up, but with a little bit of sourness to it. Out of all the ones I tried, since these ones are so different from each other, I think my favorite snack was definitely the Hanuta wafer. It's just because I love Nutella. I don't know what else to say. And so is this. That is delicious. Can't go wrong. Well, I'm just gonna go finish this. And that's a wrap. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments which one you guys think would be your favorite.
Catch you guys next time.